What's going on, you lucky people? Here I am again, cramped into the Bongo. Probably should have put this seat up for this bit. Ah, there you go. Better. So, welcome back. We're in the Bongo again. I bought some of this stuff. It's like, you know that RGB stuff you get? Like the stick-on LED strap stuff, whatever it is, strip. It's that, but I don't know if you can notice there's like one strip and it's like a set colour. I'm not into discos and stuff like that, like red mood lighting and all that sort of thing in here. So I've gone for like a warm white, and I'm not going to want to change that. So that's what's going to go in here. Now, I haven't decided yet where it's going to go. I don't really want to be able to see that. I just want to, I don't know, I might have to, but I want to try and like tuck it in out of the way somewhere. But the prerequisite, the must, is that it has to come on and off with that door, or be switchable, so it's like on or off if I'm inside the van. So if I open the door, it comes on, or if I'm in here with the door shut, I can flick a switch and it comes on, just like the existing light, which is here. I've already taken it off. Really simple to get off. It like clips in there. You just squeeze that. This is obviously from up there. AFT owners, the pop top owners, will know that this is like in the middle somewhere, but in the tin top like me, it's over by the side. But anyway, you squeeze that, that comes out. Your bulb's in there, your lamp I should say, your tube, that comes out, and then you've got 3 or 4 screws that you just undo, and then it comes down, disconnect your connector, and you're off. So what I'm going to be doing, hopefully, excuse me, is ditching this bulb and then running this stuff into here somehow. Not sure I'm going to do it yet. I think with this, one is a live, permanent live, one is a normal ground, and one is a like a switched ground from the door. I'll have to confirm that. Black I think is permanent ground, like normal ground. I think that's from the fuse board, red and blue, and I think the red and green is the switchable ground. I don't know, I'm going to figure it out in a sec. But the idea is that I'm ditching the lamp that's in there, and then this is going to be going off to wherever, and then that might just be a housing, or it might have a bit of light coming out of it. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. I'm literally making it up as I go along. So buckle up, strap yourselves in, we're putting some lights in. Here's the connector. I need to drop the seat again. Here's the connector. If I can get myself in. Probably doing my thumb man impression again. This is off the leisure battery. I think. Yeah, it is. I'm going to go in for the black to the black, because that makes sense. Jam that in there, and then, oh, first time, kind of, bit of a loose connection. There you go. That's probably doing wonders for the camera now. But that's what I mean by the warm white. Now I'm not sure where that's going to go yet. Like I say, oh, we've got a couple of dead ones there. Oh, I think I've creased it. Uh-oh, I might have stood on it. Yeah. Okay, they're kind of working. Right, don't stand on it on the strip because it breaks it. But anyway, onwards. Sorry if you're epileptic. So I'm thinking that's going to go around there somewhere. I just want to check that God, that's an awful connection. Jam it in there. Right, so I'm going to guess this one is a switchable ground. I need to go to the door now. I'm getting some funny looks from some people. Where's the door? There it is. The lights are on. Good guess. Oh, pulled the cable out now. Let's put that back in. Jam it in. Right, shut the door. Off. There you go. Right, that is ideal. So that's exactly where I want to get my power from then, basically. Just got to figure out what I'm going to do now. Where I'm going to run this cable. Or strip, whatever. Basically that is going to have to go out of there. Maybe I could come out and sort of... Oh, I just hate it when it looks like that. And if it was sort of tucked in, maybe it might be a bit better. So you can't see it as much. Yeah, that's not going to work, is it? Right, I'm going to figure this out and get back to you. Right, update. What I've done is making the best of a bad situation. This tape is like so obvious that I can't really hide it. There's no flanges or anything to hide it behind. I was thinking about like tucking it under here, behind the, you can't even probably see that, behind the blinds and stuff like that, but I don't know. What I'm going to do for now is I've taken this off. This is no good if you've got a pop top, by the way, but well, you could probably do something similar. But I've routed that through there. This is the other end. I'm just sticking it along this edge. And the idea is that this is then going to go back over there and hide some of the white and then just emit the light out of this bit, if that makes any sense. But you can still see this white bit, which is really annoying. I could Sharpie it to try and cover it up. Am I really that bothered? I don't know. I'm going to put it all in and see what happens. See how good it looks. It might look tragic, I don't know. This stuff doesn't really bend, so I've sort of made it as neat as I can. But what I'm going to do is, while this is here, this far, I'm going to give it a quick test run, see what it looks like. Okay, doesn't look too bad actually. When it's on, you can't see the white because the light sort of gets it out of the way. Yeah, that's not too bad. I'm going to keep going, see how we get on. Right, what I've decided to do is take the gubbins out of this thing, basically this, because look, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but when it was plugged in it was getting really hot. Around the resistors, I know resistors are supposed to get, or are going to get warm because they're resisting current, but it's a bit too hot for my liking. So I've stripped it all out from inside. I've put the little switch in there just to sort of blanket. You can see that this light's probably giving you murder. There you go, there's the little switch in the hole, just so you can't see it. And then I've drawn this little bit of excess up through here and into there, so that this little cover thing, I might tape it up actually in a sec, can sort of have a little bit of extra light coming out of there. I'm not going to tape it actually, because if it looks silly then I can just draw it back in and hide it in the roof. So the only thing is though, by not using this, is I lose the ability of that switch now, which is what I wanted. But because I've used the ground from the door, I'll shut the door, it still works on the door because it's basically waiting for a ground now from that door being shut. So let's open it again. There you go, it actually works. But the only issue with that is if I'm out camping or whatever, I can't just turn it on. So what I'm going to do in the next video, or well, one of the next videos, is put some switches in Where are you? Yeah, I'm going to be putting some switches in around various places. So while we're at it, we'll some screwdriver. Yeah, while we're doing that, I'll put a switch in for this. Maybe mount it on here or something to just isolate, or no, not isolate, re-energize. Basically, if I want to put the lights on without having to open the doors, that'd be quite straightforward, I think. Should be. Yeah, let's get this back together. Like I said, I'm not going to stick all that stuff in there down because I'm not 100% that's going to stay yet. I like to keep my options open. Right, let's show you the lights then with them on. So that's in the day with the blind thing shut. Like I say, you can see this white and that's really annoying me, but I'm gonna not care for a minute. Let's open this. Boom. What do you reckon? That's not too bad at all. Don't know what that's showing like on the camera, because my main camera's just turned itself off, not sure why. Hopefully the GoPro's picking it up. That's alright, I'm quite pleased with that. I don't know what's up with that. That must be where I stood on it. Yeah, it's alright. And then in the day, with it on, it's like that. Not too bad. I think it looks a lot better when it's on. When it's off, door shuts. I've kind of got this little white lip. I'm gonna have to not care. Anyway. Right, if you did enjoy this video, thank you for watching. Hopefully it enlightens someone. Get it? To do a little bit themselves, put their own lights in or whatever. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you would subscribe to the channel, that would really help me out. Give us a like, give us all that sort of thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers, guys.